Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a digital planner in Canva. Firstly, open Canva and then in the search bar type planner to explore many templates available. Select the template you like. For instance, if you choose a 2024 planner, click to apply it. Customize the number of pages as per your preference. Edit the text, colors, fonts, and design elements to match your personal style and planning needs. Once you're happy with the design, tap on Share and select PDF to digital use. Choose the option suggested by Canva, which is typically a standard PDF format. After downloading your planner, you can open it directly in GoodNotes if you saved it in your files. Once imported, you can start personalizing your planner. Use GoodNotes tools like pens, highlighters to erase to add unique touches. Swipe through your planner to use two fingers to scroll and write or type your planner. Highlight important dates and add texts as needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.